In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to Calendly. By the end of this walkthrough, your Calendly bookings will be sending valuable data straight into your Meta Ads account, so you can track conversions and improve your marketing. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account. From your main dashboard, you'll see your different event types and scheduling options. This is the home base where you manage all your meetings. We're going to stay inside Calendly and use one of its built-in integrations, so there's no custom code needed. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the section labeled Integrations and Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This area is where Calendly connects to other tools you use, like email platforms, CRMs, and in our case, MetaPixel, which is the new name for the Facebook Pixel. Once you're in the integrations page, scroll until you find the option called MetaPixel. It might be grouped under marketing or tracking tools. When you see it, click on MetaPixel. This will open a page that explains what the integration does and gives you the option to configure it. On that MetaPixel integration page, click the button that says Go to Setup. This will take you to the configuration screen where you actually connect your pixel to Calendly. You'll now see a field where Calendly expects your MetaPixel ID. Click into that field so it's ready for you to paste in your pixel. Keep this tab open, because we're going to jump over to Meta Business Manager to grab that ID. In a new tab, open your Meta Business Manager and go to the Events Manager section, where your pixels and events datasets are listed. Select the pixel you want to connect to Calendly. You should see a numeric pixel ID. Copy that ID to your clipboard. Be careful to copy it exactly as it appears, with no extra spaces. Now go back to your Calendly tab and, with the cursor in the field you clicked earlier, paste the pixel ID you just copied. Double check that the number looks correct and complete. Once you're confident the pixel ID is correct, click on the Save button. Calendly will store that ID and start sending event data, such as scheduled bookings, to your Meta Pixel. From now on, you'll be able to use this information in your Meta Ads reporting and optimization. That's all you need to successfully add Facebook Pixel to Calendly.